Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting, and it's Friday freebie day again today. So today I've got something a little bit different and I thought I'd share it with you because I'm really excited. I've at last got a logo. So this is a beautiful logo which is Happiness and Crafting by gi.kerr, and my daughter designed this for me, and I love it, really love it, because it's got a lovely butterfly on here, which I love butterflies, and we've got this lovely little squirrely pattern here which reminds me of my tattoo. So I think she did a fantastic job. So I thought I'd share it with you and make something to keep all your little bits that you've got from your Friday freebies previously. And this is going to be 2 pages. So we've got this one and I've got these as well. So these can be made into paper clips, and these are to go inside, because what I want to show you what I've made with this, and it's like a little folder that you can use. So if you don't have time to do your previous Friday freebies, you can store them in here like this. So I thought this was really lovely, and then you know it's my Friday freebies because it's got our name on the front. But you don't have to keep your Friday freebies in it, you can keep anything in it. And what I've put in are, these are my assorted journaling cards, which is one of my latest kits, and I thought they fitted in there perfect. And I just popped a little paper clip on there. So we've got these lovely shoes. I actually love the shoes. So these obviously don't come with the kit, but I was just popping them in there to show you. So once we've taken these out, these go in, and I've got a little sort of bit at the top here to pop your paper clips on, and then you've got your little tags and stuff that you could just clip under like that you're going to be using. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and it's really simple, really simple. Everything's been cut out, everything's been done for you. Well, not cut out but measured, so it's all done for you, so it's really easy peasy. So I'm going to pop these in here, and then all as you need to do, and I just love it. It's the same sort of design as the blue butterfly collection, but I've made it into pink, and I absolutely adore it, and I think it goes so well, and I thought you guys would be just as excited as me to see it. Okay, so that's what you get, and I'm going to show you here. I've already cut them out, and what I've done, I've backed them onto a piece of card. So this is going to be your folder, and I've just backed it onto a piece of white card, but you can use anything, recycled paper or anything. And then I've just folded it in half, and that's as simple as it is, and that makes your folder. And then pop that to the side, and then I've cut these bits out here like this. I've backed them all onto card. You don't have to. If your printer prints thickish card, print it. I would print it on the thickest one that you've got, that your printer would take, or if you don't have anything, that's why I've backed it onto some card, because my printer, it won't take anything very thick. It's not the best printer there is. So, but I've all cut them out. I've already done them so they're the right sizes. Okay, so you can put them wherever you like, but I've designed it so this one goes on that side. Again, you can put it that side and have them tucking that way. I'm going to do that this time because I think it'll be different from the other one. Oops, we don't want that. And then I've got a little pocket to go here, and then I've done this one here that goes over the top, so we've got 2 pockets. And then this one is just like the little band that the little paper clips clip onto. Okay, and now the paper clips here, obviously you don't have to use them as paper clips. I've just made them, this one goes to the side, so it slots on the side of something, and these ones I've just popped from the top, so they will just clip on the top like that. Then you just tuck anything underneath it. But I thought they were really lovely and really handy, because I love paper clips. Now what I've done, I've cut them all out, and then I've got a piece of card. Let me find a piece of card here. Let me just cut a little, not a piece of card, it was a piece of paper I used for the back. I've done all these already. And then what I've done, like I said, I've backed it onto a piece of card, and then I'm going to stick it onto here like that. I'm going to show you how I've done it, because I'm going to do it so it comes from this side. So where's my paper clip? So what I'm going to do, I pop the paper clip on here, so I have the longer bit on the inside, like that, and then I get my 3-in-1 wherever it's gone. I'm going to, so this is 180 gram, not 180, 160 gram paper, like that. I'm going to pop a bit of glue on there like that, bit of glue on the back of here, and what we do, we just stick that onto there like that. Easy peasy, stick it down, squash it down, make sure it's on there nicely. I've just used the 3-in-1 because it sticks quite quickly and easily. I think I've used a little bit too much. Okay, so just squidge it down like that. Look at that, glue everywhere. And then we just cut it out. So get your nice big pair of scissors, just chop around the outside. Oops. Round. Like that. Just stick it. There we go, we've got a nice little paper clip. And how simple was that? You just cut this so it's a little bit better there. You can probably take a little bit more time than me. Pop that to the side, and then we've got a paper clip like that, so that just slides on that way, and this one that I did slides that way. So if you do them two different side ways, then you can pop them onto anything either side. So I thought that was really nice. So that's the paper clips. Now I'm going to pop these onto here. Now you can sew it if you like. Where's the one that I got? I did mine, I've sewed around the edges. I stuck the pockets on first, I put a strip on there, so that's optional. You can do that if you want to, you don't have to. And then I've just sewn all the way around it with a zigzag stitch. But again, if you don't have a sewing machine, you can just stick it, but make sure you stick it down quite well. So I'm going to stick this down. Let's get that little end bit off. So just pop a bit of glue around here. Oh, I hope that's in focus because my camera doesn't like it just to be white. But again, you can print this on tea stain paper if you wanted to. And it can be recycled paper as well, so recycled cards, so you could use all your cereal boxes and things like that. So that just sticks down. So everything fits. So once you've just cut it out, it all fits together, so you don't have, it's easy peasy, no measuring. So that's the side. Make sure that's stuck down. Now I'm going to pop this pocket on here like that. So again, it's entirely up to you where you put them. I'm just so excited to actually have a logo at last. It's taken me since I've started my YouTube channel, which I think is about 2.5 years nearly now, to make my mind up what sort of thing that I wanted. So my daughter's done a really good job, and I absolutely love it. So that's perfect. So that goes on there like that. Stick that down, and then we'll stick this one on top to make the second pocket. So you can just make these out. Once you've got the template, you can make loads of them. Just print them out and make lots to store your stuff in, because I'm trying, as I keep saying before, to get more organized, because I'm really not organized. You tend to have stuff everywhere, and if you've got little folders which are quick and easy to make like this, you can just make them up and pop all your little bits and pieces in. Lots of glue everywhere. So that goes on there, and then this one here I've just popped up there to pop the little paper clips on. So this one we just want to just glue either end like that, just a little bit of glue either side. I didn't, on the other one, I didn't sew along the top here, because sometimes if you're using paper clips tend to get stuck in the thread where you've sewn on it, like that. So I haven't sewn them, but again you can embellish it. You can put bits of lace or anything around the outsides, and then these are all ready to go on. I've done that one on the different angle, so these can just pop onto here like that, and on here, and then this one can go that side. I can get it in, and there we go. And this one can just pop onto there like that. There. So how easy peasy was that? Now if you want to do it again, you can just sew around it, but you can just leave it like that, and then you've got a lovely little folder to put all your bits and pieces in. Again, embellish it however you like to do it, but I thought that was really simple, really nice thing to keep all your bits and pieces in, especially if you don't have time for the Friday freebies all the time to make them up every week. You can cut them out and just pop them into a little folder ready for when you've got 5 minutes to do them. And these are good to pop in your bag if you're going to somebody's house and you're going to do some crafting. You can pop all your bits and pieces in here and take it with you. So there we go. Alright guys, well thank you very much for joining me. I hope you like it as much as I do. I'm absolutely loving it. So these are the papers. So that's the cover. But again, you can make whatever you like out of it. I'm just giving you an idea. And then there's the other little bits that go inside. Okay, so where's my other one? And that's it here. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me. Have a fantastic weekend. And I will see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.